Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. Today I want to show you how to add a plugin in your WordPress website. If you need any external service in your WordPress website, as like restart your WordPress website, SEO commerce service, anything else, so no problem about that. You can add external plugin for in your website for this service. So first of all, you need to log in your WordPress dashboard. My WordPress, my domain name is danastore.shop. So here is the WordPress dashboard interface. So here you need to go the plugin section. This is the plugin section. So I'm clicking the plugin section here, and you need to click here, add new plugin. So you can upload the plugin, and as well you can search any plugin if you need any. I need WooCommerce plugin. That's why I'm searching the WooCommerce plugin. I have also the WooCommerce plugin, but I want to show you how to add the plugin. That's why I'm searching the WooCommerce plugin here. So when I search the WooCommerce plugin name, then WordPress plugin sections show me lots of plugin here. So the main WooCommerce plugin is this one, WooCommerce. This is totally free. Here is update required. I don't want to update or anything else. So you just need to install as like this, the Google for WooCommerce. Just click here and install. So when the plugin is installed, then it's say active. Just need to click the active. So when I click the active button, then it will be easily activated in my WordPress website. Here is I need to set up the plugin. So how can I confirm to how can I confirm to add this plugin? So I need to go the plugin section again, in the left side of menu bar. Then I need to find the Google WooCommerce. Here is the Google WooCommerce. Also I have the WooCommerce, but this is my WooCommerce plugin. This is also active, and this one is the Google WooCommerce. My tutorial is just for, so I think that's all.